Alright guys, I'll be using my other phone to video this thing because my phone, I need to clear the storage. It's kind of full. So now this is a crush life when you open it. Okay, sorry, let me go back. Um so this is how the app looks. Crush. So it's loading. Okay. So I think the first thing you should be seeing is this. Yeah, you'll see this. But I need you to go to me, your own page. Me, please look down. Me. So when you go to your own page, I think the next thing you'll be seeing is this. You can see my screen bar. Alright, so you click on here first. You need to set up your accounts, set everything, your bio, your personal information, your name, and so on. Z. Alright, so now you click on tags. This video is gonna be brief, please. But before we continue, please remember to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and remember to share to your friends and loved ones. Okay, so if you find this useful. So this is the tax. It's going to direct you here. This is game. You can see the tax on that game. Yeah, you can see, but we don't have a business here. First, please, you scroll this, please. You see, look here. See this free. This is where we have business with free. All right. So this free now. When you click on this free, you can see we have free, we have live party, we have daily, we have game, we have private video, we have ranks, and I think that's all. But we have business with free. So this is the free tax. They just launched this, and I think it's useful. Remember, you'll be making 1,000 plus 1,525 plus 500, 3,000 daily, plus your, maybe if you buy coins or you gamble and win big, or people gamble on you, you can see it's really useful. So every day you're expected to live stream for 60 minutes. Yeah, you go live for 60 minutes. You can see here, when you click here, so look at this place, look at this thing, live. Okay, so you click on it. This is how the live stream looks like. So if you want to go live, you see it's already live. You just click on live. All right, and it's counting, it's loading. So I'm not really here to go live. So this is it. You go live, you stay in the panel, people will come in, gift you, blah blah blah, and so on. Yeah, in your live stream, when you're live streaming, you can't gift yourself. Say it. Okay, look down here. This place is gift boards. Let's go back. You can see this thing beside this game stuff. This is your gift boards. So when you tap on it, so you can see, so you say you can't gift yourself when you're live streaming. Okay, you can only gift yourself when you're in a party room. That's when you're audio live streaming. So people will be the ones to gift you. All right, so that is it. So if you want to start a PK, sorry, if you want to start a PK, look down. You can see, right? See this PK. See this PK. You tap on it. PK. Okay. So you can choose a PK. Maybe let me say they have random PK. Random PK is with anybody. When you're doing with anybody, that's maybe white people, your fellow Nigerians, or different country, Cameroon, whichever one. Then we have friends PK. Friends PK is everybody, your friends who are live streaming. They get random is anybody. You can do with anybody who is, whether he's your friend, enemy, or someone you don't even know, it's also stranger from different country, like different region. Then friends PK, anybody under your friend list, you're following the person and the person is following you, and you have a mutual friendship, like a mutual relationship. If the person is live streaming, you can invite the person maybe on green app or here, come and live stream, or let's do PK. You see the person here. Okay, we have team PK. So team PK, your friends also is there. You can be three. Team is, you can be three or more than three. I think the maximum is 3. Yeah, this one is 2, this one is 3. Okay, you can be 3 or more than that. Then popular, you have friends, that's your friends. Popular, people who are popular, who always do PK, like who are popular, you will see them here. Who are popular on PK, you see them here. You can invite any of them, but I'm not really ready to do any PK, so you can invite anybody. We have followers, you can invite your followers. Yeah, you can invite your followers. You have followers, you can invite them. People are following you. If they are currently on live stream, you will say it. I think none of my followers is on live stream yet, so you will say here recently. This recently is people who you have invited before. Maybe they are live streaming, you will see them here. Maybe let me say I've invited, okay, let's go to popular. I invited this Jamie agency before, to do PK with me. I will be seeing her here if she's on live stream. Why? Because I have invited her before. So are you getting it now? So I think that's how it works. Network is bad. Network is bad. You manage it anyhow. So so that is it. So we go back. Alright guys, sorry, network kicked me out. So we go back. So you can see I think you understand everything about PK. So is this kind of arrow sign beside this PK now? Let's know what it is. Okay, here. Okay, let's assume somebody entered my room. You can see this thing up here now. This my head with 0. Let's assume someone entered my room and I want to invite the person to sit here. Okay, I want to be inviting the person to sit here. Yeah, now. So I would have to click here. Let's assume someone is in my room, but there's nobody now, right? So I have to click here. Then you'll see the people that is in your room here. So you just have to invite them. Or if anybody apply to sit, you see it in apply. People who apply, that is waiting. Okay, you'll be seeing it here. You see them here. So you just have to accept. You see something like accept here. You just have to accept for them to sit, and maybe you both talk or something, I don't know. Okay, so I think that is it. Then the next one is hotels. This is to message hi. This hi place is to message. So if you're good at game, if you're good at playing game, you can click on the game icon. Let it load. So once you click on the game icon, so this is the games. For me, the game that returns for me very well is this fruit roulette and golden train. But I don't know, you can just try it as a newbie. You try it out. Everything is about learning. So once you try it, you know the one that favors you, then you go with it. As a gamer, don't carry all your whole coins and enter game so that you don't end up crying. In the app, you can gift yourself, you can do exchange on yourself, and so on. Like I always say, when you buy coins, share it. Maybe you bought coins of 10k, you use 5%, do exchange, you use 3%, gamble, and then use the remaining 2%. I think yes, remaining 2% and enter game. You can be lucky enough to win big. Okay, so now we are leaving the room. Okay, we're leaving the live stream. Okay, there's something I'm not explaining. So if you're top 1 in your live stream, you see it in this place. You can see this chair up here. You see it here. If you're the top 1 in live stream, you see here, you will have this badge. I think they call it 𝐂𝐫𝐮𝐬𝐡 binary star. You'll be having this badge. Remember to set up your own profile. You click on that place. You click on here. So when you click on here, you see your profile, set up your room details. Okay, so I think that is it. You can easily locate your tax too. Maybe you want to know if your tax, you're done with your tax or something. Please look here. You click on this say it's tax. Okay, so you click on this tags down here. It's above the um I think it's speaker or something. Okay, it's loading. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, it's still loading. Mm, network. Crush network now another program from you. Okay guys, give me a sec, let me boot it. Okay guys, so we are back. So I say you should click on the tags, you will see it there. Okay, so when you click on it, I think it's loading. Alright, so now it's loading actually. Let's wait for it. I do have network issues. Whenever you're doing your tax, it's counting. But please, why doing this? Is anybody telling you to be a golden host? Don't fall for it. Hmm? Do your normal tax, live stream. You can still live stream without being a golden host. So don't fall for all these golden hosts, agency stuff. Like I said, I'm here to create my own agency. I'm still under an agency with this my accounts. So I'll be creating my own agency with my other accounts. For those that is interested in joining the agency, is not available for now. But even if you are to join agency, join a better agency. So look, you can see the tax. That same thing I explained. The free tax, live party, daily game, blah 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 and so on. So when you're in your live stream, you don't need to minimize. You can still locate your tax here and know whether you have completed to claim it. Okay, please make sure you always claim your tax. I remember your tax counts with a good network. Yeah, I think so. Right now, your tax come with a good network. Someone is in your room. So when someone is in your room, you can invite the person to sit if you like. Okay, let's check. You can invite the person to sit if you like, or maybe the person is applying. Maybe the person is applying to sit. So let's go back there. So you can see if hold on. Okay, no, the person is not applying. So she didn't apply it. So that is it. I think that is all for now. So we'll be ending this live stream to go over to audio tax explanation. Alright. So see you in the audio tax explanation. Confirm. Bye. I think I need to explain this. So the total gift you received, you will see it when you're ending your live stream. The total lucky gift, like I said, lucky gift is different from gifts. Gift is exchange. Do you understand? The main gift counts as exchange. That's gift. Lucky gift is when people gamble on you. That's the lucky gift. Game share. How many times you play game and win and you share it? You also see the income here. Your new followers, when you have a new follower, you see it here, how many new followers you have. When you have viewers, you see here the number of gift senders, how many people that gifted you, you will still see it here. Number of viewers spoken, how many viewers that viewed your live stream, you see it here. Your live stream duration, so you can see our live stream duration 0 point, it's not up to 1 hour, it's not up to 1 hour. Okay, so that is it.